Good morning, students. How are you? Let us start second chapter, Shapes and Angle, Mathematic, Class 5. In this chapter, students will learn the following activities. This chapter is divided into three videos. Video 1 has video part 1, new English words, the words which is used in this chapter. Second, mathematical concept such as shapes, angles, type of angle. In second part of this video, use of these concepts in real life situation, these angle concepts, shape concepts in our real life situation, that is identify natural angles and read the watch, etc. And the video 3 will contain concept of EVS, that is why does the shape of bridge, towers, etc. triangular on top. So I will use an integrated approach in which I will let you know some new English words, some EVS topic, and of course the mathematical concept included in this chapter, and what is the application of the concept in our day-to-day life situation. So let us start video first, shapes and angle. In this video, student will learn new English words used in this chapter, mathematical concepts such as shapes, angles, types of angle. Okay, so first, new English words. So let us take twin. Twin means look alike or identical. Two things are called as twin if they are same in nature. Look alike, same. See, here two babies are there. They are looking same, so these are twin babies. Okay, twins means look alike or they are similar in nature, same, looking a same thing. Next word is shape. A closed figure, you know, rectangle, square, triangle, etc. Like, see it. This is a rectangle or square, probably square because all sides are seems to be equal. So it is an example of shape. You can see here, this is an example of shape, triangular shape, circular shape, rectangular shape. Opposite sides are equal. So next word, divider. In geometry, divider means measuring compass. There is a compass with two needles which measure the angle like this. With the help of these two needles, we can draw equal angles. Next, branch. Branch you know very well. A part of tree which look like this. It grows on the main stem. Next, protector. An instrument to measure angle, or we call it D, like this, because it is a D shape, so we call it as D. You can notice here 0, 10, 180 again in red color, 0, 10, 20, 180. So starting from 0 to 180, starting from 0 to 180. So this is a straight angle. Straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Let us start with shapes. Basic shapes you have read in chapter 1 in the fishtail. If you have not seen that video, you can see the video. I will give link in I button above, so you can see video part 1. So let us start here. Shape, a closed figure, closed from all the sides. Number of sides. So depending upon number of sides, each shape has some name. If it has 2, 3 sides, if it has 4 sides, so depending upon number of sides, it has some names. Let us start with 3. 3. If a shape has 3 sides, so we call it as triangle. We call it as triangle. And it look like this. 3 sides are there. So it is called as triangle. If sides are 4, then we call it quadrilateral. We called it quadrilateral. And quadrilateral look like this, 4 sides. Yeah, quadrilateral may be rectangle, quadrilateral may be square, quadrilateral may be rhombus, but all these have 4 sides. Next, if 5, if number of sides are 5, we called it pentagon. And how does pentagon look like? This 5 sides are there, so pentagon look like this. Okay, if it has 6 sides, you can see if it has 6 sides, so it is called as hexagon. And how does the hexagon look like? You see here, it has 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is called as hexagon. Let us revise it. If there is a 6 sides, we call it hexagon. It has 6 sides. If it has 5 sides, we call it pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. If it has 4 sides, we call it as quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has 4 sides. If it has 3 sides, we call it a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. Okay. Let us revise once again. If it has 3 sides, we call it triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. If there are 4 sides, we call it quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has 4 sides. If it has 5 sides, we call it as pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. If it has 6 sides, we call it as hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. Okay, so this is all about shapes, and we will study this discuss in detail in the chapters. Okay, let us go next. Angles. Another important content in this is angles. What are angles? Let us see. This is a ray. Ray is the thing which has one endpoint. It is one endpoint and it is going more and more. So this is called as ray. Another ray. This is another ray. So distance between these two rays, is called as angle. See another example. Now this is some distance increased. So this is increased angle. Okay. See another example. Now this becomes straight like this. So it is an example of another angle. Distance between this ray to this ray. Let us see one more example. This distance increased further. So this distance also increased. So angle increased. So this is distance angle. Okay. See once again, distance between two rays are called angle, and it is measured in degree. Okay. So see here, this will go this way, this way, this way, and the distance between these two rays increase, and the angle between these two rays increase. Okay, increase, 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 and if it becomes straight, then it will be 180 degree. What I have told you in D. Okay. So next, this is a circle, and this is divided into 4 equal parts. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Just see this portion. It is not like this. Yes, it is like this. So this is 90 degree. This is called 90 degree. So this is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. These 4 portions are equal. So these 4 angles are equal. And sum of these 4 angles are 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, 360 degree. Okay. So at a point in around the circle, angle is 360 and the straight angle is 180. Okay. So depending upon the degree of angle, it is divided into 3 parts. Angles are measured in degree, I have told you, and this is symbol of degree. This is called acute angle. Acute angle. What is the meaning of acute angle? Acute angle which is less than 90 degree. Any angle which measures less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. Any angle with less than 90 degree measure is called as acute angle. So this is 2 is less than 90 degree. These two are called acute angle. Right angle is equal to 90 degree. So this is exactly 90 degree. So this is called as right angle. Now obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is more than 90 degree and this is more than 90 degree. So this is called as obtuse angle. So depending upon the measure of angle, the angles are divided into 3 categories: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. Okay, let us discuss it. Type of angle, measure and examples. Okay, so first type is acute angle, less than 90 degree. Any angle which is less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. Its example: 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 85 degree. Anything less than 90, anything less than 90 is called as acute angle. 89 degree, 85 degree, 84 degree, 75 degree, 20 degree, 10 degree. All these are called as acute angle. Second type of angle is right angle. Right angle is exactly 90 degree. So only one angle can be right angle. So 90 degree. So only 90 degree is called as right angle. It has only one example, 90 degree. Okay. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is more than 90 degree. And more than 90 means 91, 95, 120, 145, 160, 170. All these are called obtuse angle. Okay. Learn it properly. Next. Making shapes with matchstick. This is Mathemagic Class 5, Chapter 2, page number 60. So let us start what it tells. Rohini and Mohini are twin sisters. I told you what is the meaning of twin? Same, look alike. So Rohini and Mohini are two twin sisters. Judwa. They love doing the same things. One day when they were making shapes using matchsticks, Shela gave them a challenge. Shela is another girl, gave them a challenge. Shela. But to these, Rohini and Mohini. Rohini will make a shape. Mohini has to make the same without looking at it, but she can ask questions. Means they both have to make a shape, but they need not to see each other's shape. So they will sit like this, and she will make this way, she will make this way. And what is the challenge? Without seeing the shape, they will make similar shape. Is it possible? Let us see. Oh, that is so simple. These two, Rohini Mohini says, yeah, it is very simple. Let us try. Okay, let us start. Rohini made this picture. Which picture? This picture. Rohini made it fast. This picture. Now, Mohini. They can ask questions. So, Mohini, is it a closed shape or an open shape? Rohini says it is a closed shape because closed from all sides. Mohini, how many sides are there? How many sides are there? You can see this is an hexagonal, 6 sides. Rohini, it has 6 sides. Okay. Mohini made this picture. Now again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 6 sides, but this is not similar. Now you give the answer. See here, Rohini. Now Mohini is asking to Rohini. Rohini, is it a closed shape? Mohini says, yes. I have also made the close shape. Rohini, does it have 6 sides? Mohini, yes, it has 6 sides. Look at this. Rohini's picture, Rohini's shape, Mohini's shape. Both are of 6 sides, but they are not similar. So Mohini was somehow, are these same? No. So Mohini tried again. Okay, let us make one more picture so that it can be similar. This time she made like this. This is again has 6 sides. Yeah, you can say 6 matchsticks are there. That is what she made. But these 3 are separate. Again, she asked the question, is it close shaped with 6 sides? Yes, again, she has made a close shape with 6 sides. Is it the same as one made by Rohini? No, again different. Same thing, 6 sides, close shape, but different. Okay. So is there some way to say that, say in what way these shapes are different? These are different, but can you say any way, specific way, how these shapes are different? Yes, we can say. These shapes are different in angles. Okay, these shapes are different in angles, so are different. Okay, so are different because one side's angle with another side in different way. Okay, in some way like this, some way this, so angles are different. Look at the angle marked in these shapes. Can you see the difference? Look at this. Yes, now see this. These are angle marked. Okay. Can you see the difference? Yes, each shape is different due to angles. No, these angles are different, so shapes are different. Okay. Try at home. So this is homework. On page number 17, how many different shapes can you make by changing the angles between matchsticks? Each of these. So you take 10 matchsticks one time and make use of 4 matchstick and make this shape and try. Can you make another shape with these 4 sticks, another shape with 8 matchsticks, another with 5 matchsticks, another with 10 matchsticks, another with 7 matchsticks. Okay, so this is all about shapes and angles. This is the first part of the video. Second part we will continue this, and you will find the link of second part in I button above. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.